Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to multiply by 11 using very simple trick. So you must be thinking that multiplication with 11 is very easy. Yes, it is easy, but when we multiply a 3-digit or a 4-digit number by 11, it takes a little time. But today we are going to learn how to multiply in a couple of seconds. So let's see. So let's begin with multiplying by 11 using the simple multiplication method. So for example, we need to multiply 23 and 11. So 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 2 is 2, put a 0 in the next line. Then 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 2 is 2, and then we are going to add it. So 3, 5 and 2. So the answer is 253. Now let's see how can we add it using the trick even faster than this. 23 times 11. So what we are going to do is we are going to write the first number as it is 2. Then we are going to add the next two numbers. So 2 and 3, that makes 5. And then we write the last digit as it is, that is 3. So the answer gives us 253. Now let's see and check with another number. So let's try to multiply 62 times 11. So what we are going to do is we are going to write the first digit as it is 6. Then we are going to add the next two numbers. 6 plus 2 is 8, and then we are going to write the last digit as it is. So 682 is our answer. Now let's see how it works with a 3-digit number. So 234 times 11. So we'll write the first digit as it is 2. Then we add these two numbers. 2 plus 3 gives us 5. Then we add the next two numbers, that is 3 and 4. So 3 plus 4 gives us 7. And then we write the last digit as it is. So the answer we get is 2574. Now you must be thinking whether it works for a 4-digit number as well. Yes, it works. So let's check. 1521 times 11. So you will write the first digit as it is. Then you will add these two numbers. 5 plus 1 gives us 6. Then you add the next two numbers. 5 plus 2 gives you 7. Then again you follow the process and add the next two numbers. 2 plus 1 gives you 3. And then you write the last digit as it is. So the answer is 16,731. Now let's see how it works for these kind of numbers when we take a little larger digit. So 752 times 11. So we do follow the process. We'll write the first digit as it is 7. Now 7 plus 5 gives you 12. So what we'll do is we'll write a 2 over here and we'll put one carry over here. Now we'll add the another two digits, that is 5 plus 2, that gives us 7, and write the last digit as it is. So now the answer will be 7 plus 1, that is 8, 272. So the final answer will be 8272. Let's try one more number. So let's try to multiply 567 times 11. So we'll write the first digit as it is 5. Then we add the next two digits, that gives us 5 plus 6 is 11. So we'll put one here and one at the top. Now 6 plus 7 gives us 13. So we'll write 3 over here and 1 here carry over. Then we'll write the last digit as it is. Now the final answer will be 5 plus 1, 6, 1 plus 1 is 2, 3 and 7. So we'll get the answer 6237. So it's very simple. We just have to follow the process, write the first digit and keep on adding the subsequent digits and write the last digit. When you have a carryover, you follow the steps and you add it and then you get the final answer. Hope you like this video and we'll be sharing some more multiplication tricks with you soon.